Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the top 5 free online video editing software in 2023. This software is great for anyone who wants to create professional-looking videos without having to spend any money. Clipchamp is a great all-around video editing software that offers a wide range of features. You can use it to trim, crop, rotate, and flip your videos, as well as add transitions, text, and music. Clipchamp also has a built-in webcam recorder, so you can create videos right from your computer. Illustro is a great choice for users who want a more creative video editing experience. It offers a wide range of templates and effects, so you can easily create videos that look like they were made by a professional. Illustro also has a built-in library of stock images and videos, so you can easily find the perfect content for your project. Canva is a great choice for users who want to create visually appealing videos without having to learn how to use complex video editing software. It offers a wide range of templates and design tools, so you can easily create videos that look like they were made by a professional. Canva also has a built-in video sharing feature, so you can easily share your videos with friends and family. Avivo is a great choice for users who want simple and easy-to-use video editing software. It offers a basic set of features for editing videos, but it's perfect for users who just want to get started with video editing. Avivo also has a built-in video sharing feature, so you can easily share your videos with friends and family. FlexClip is a great choice for users who want powerful video editing software with a lot of features. It offers a wide range of tools for editing, trimming, and cropping videos, as well as adding transitions, text, and music. FlexClip also has a built-in video compressor, so you can easily reduce the size of your videos without sacrificing quality. These are just a few of the many great free online video editing software available. If you're looking for a way to create professional-looking videos without having to spend any money, I encourage you to check out one of this software. Thanks for watching.